As a global company, Advantech has led the market for 40 years and now is focused on industrial IoT solutions. While it operates in different vertical markets, smart cities, Industry 4.0, and smart factories are the main focus. By simplifying the complexity of IoT, Advantech delivers competitive positioning. Such as the success of involving Advantech, Echo, and Braspo. Faced with the challenges to the status and performance monitoring processes, Braspo sought an effective solution to capture pertinent data. Braspo is a company that operates in the market providing painting services for parts. We partnered with Advantech precisely because we were looking for something that would suit our machines, and Advantech showed us a solution with equipment which we could use to measure and monitor our production. Through an exclusive WisePass partnership with Echo Brazil, we have advanced the development of a cloud solution completely in line with customers' 24/7 availability and real-time performance monitoring requirements. Advantech is a strategic partner. They are a key partner for the success of our businesses. They are a company that manages to offer, along with their engineers, the most diverse solutions. With Braspo, we used a simple gateway which has 8 digital inputs, and we look for this data directly on the electrical panel, which already exists on the factory floor. This machine is a little older, a machine that has no connectivity at all. And using this gateway, we're able to send via Wi-Fi the information that is collected there on the panel. Today, I'm able to manage information more accurately, and I'm able to see specific productivity of each line. And I can monitor if there were any specific problems on any lines. Now I can detect if there are any bottlenecks in our processes. This helped me a lot in making certain decisions, making the process more accurate and increasing our efficiency. Our solution allows the data that is collected directly from the gateways to be illustrated in real time. And you have this access whether in a conventional browser screen on a computer or even in the app itself for both Android and iOS. Today, there are 4 smart TVs on 4 lines where operators can monitor all of this in real time. So they can see the operation times, the downtimes, the maintenance times, and also how many hooks they paint at a particular time. From the moment we installed the system, we've had an increase, in other words, an improvement in our efficiency in each of the 12%. It's cases like this one that show us we're on the right path on the Industry 4.0 journey. For any client, improved operations translates into a strong competitive position. Advantech, with its innovative and technological DNA, is always bringing new innovations to the market. Successful implementation of a smart manufacturing ecosystem starts with Advantech.